What's going on, YouTube and cryptocurrency family? My name is Harry, and I'm the crypto vet. Thank you so much for tuning back in. Today, lots of crazy stuff still happening in the crypto world. The U.S. is still at arms with each other, Republicans and Democrats, But all that aside, what is happening with crypto? Bitcoin is doing crazy things. So, we're going to go ahead and see what happens with this today, and we're going to get my synopsis here because I'm going to try to go over Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP in about 10 to 12 minutes. So it'll be really, really fast. If you haven't already, please go ahead and follow me on Twitter at XRP Veterinarian, where I post articles that are going on just like this article we're going to just briefly go over today, where Ethereum is only at 18% ready, but ETH 2.0 has got a week to go. So this could be good or bad for Ethereum. Please like, subscribe. The current channel is growing. The Discord community that I have is wonderful. Lots of good people there asking questions and learning, streaming on Twitch. I mean, it's amazing. So thank you guys all so much. So let's go ahead and get started on CoinMarketCap. Right now, Bitcoin's up to 16,700-ish. Ethereum back up to around 460. XRP about 28, almost 30 cents here, hitting our targets pretty well. We got some of our DeFi projects doing wonderful, up 25% here. Litecoin's up to $71. I mean, remember when that was back down at 50? Our biggest losers, we got just 10%. This is not bad. Uniswap had a nice little pump, but back down to around $3.50. But let's go ahead and go to Bitcoin. So here at Bitcoin, we're on the weekly chart. The only thing I want to show here basically is that what goes up must come down, right? When we were back in the first bull rally, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks of pumpage here, where we went from there to there, 236%. That's crazy, right? It was amazing. We topped out at around 19.7-ish, and we came down. If we come up to where we are now, we're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now we're on the 7th week here of pump for Bitcoin, and we have gone up so far almost 60%. That's crazy, right? Now, was it going to keep going up? It very well could be. Look at how big these candles are here. But I want everyone to just be cautious here, because what comes up must come down. Nothing just goes straight up. We have big resistance right at 20K here, and then we also are trying to overcome our resistance down at the 16, but we still haven't beat this high here, which is at 17.2, which is actually at my target. So I just want everyone to be prepared that we could have a correction of 30%. At least. And what does 30% bring us to? Back down to the weekly exponential moving average, which if we come back here, we know that during this rally we came up, we would touch, and I'll zoom in here just a little bit so you can see this. We come in, we touch this average, and then we came up. So just for cautious for anybody trying to bet the farm right now, still not my best opinion. If you're trying to get into it, yeah, get a little bit into it, because if it does pump to 20, at least you got some skin in the game, right? So let's go ahead and zoom in here to the, daily, the daily here, and we've been going through and pumping in out of these symmetrical triangles 2 measured moves, and my next target was 17.2. I really think that we will get close to that at this point, but I really think that that is going to be our top before we at least come down for a little bit. Something that we got to correct. Our RSIs and other indicators are getting really to the top here. So look at this on the daily. We have been staying above the 70 mark for a while. Like I said, what usually goes up must come back down. So just a warning to everybody right now. I'm not saying that you need to go in and short the shit out of it right now. I think that we still have a little bit going, and our corrections could be a nice slow correction down. It doesn't have to be a 30% drop in one day. We could just slowly trickle our way down, build that moving average up. So I just want people to be cautious here. In my personal opinion, I think we're getting really close to the top before we come back down for a while. All right, remember, I'm just a doctor/idiot. This is not financial advice. This is just some guy who plays video games on Twitch and also has a YouTube channel talking about crypto, okay? Coming into Ethereum here, on the weekly, we broke out of our symmetrical triangle after our initial pump. We have not quite reached the target that I was going for. The target out of this triangle would be about $530-ish. We did hit a top here, though, right at 490-ish, so that would be a resistance that we still have to beat from this target. So kind of waiting to see, with Ethereum having the issues with ETH 2.0 and very little time here. And I put this article, really washes me out there. I had this article in the description, and I also have it on Twitter and the Discord. It's a really quick read, but briefly, the new 2.0, which is going to have changes in how the whole network runs is having issues. So, and they're kind of behind, so we don't know where they're going to go. When we move to the daily here, for where we're currently at, you can see that we are still in this ascending triangle formation. We got rejected immediately when we came out of it, but we still haven't broken this trend. The trend is your friend until it ends, and it has not ended yet. So I still have a target of around $520. We just got to see if we can get over this resistance here. And just to zoom in on that same case, you can see that when we came up and came down, we've had nice, good support at all the levels. And, you know, Ethereum is a good project. I definitely think Ethereum is going to be just like Bitcoin in a year. This price, we're going to be wishing we could buy it now. But I know that times are tough for a lot of people now. So, you know, be smart with your investments here. And then lastly, let's just go quickly over XRP. XRP, my favorite cryptos, has lots and lots of good news going on around it. They're currently looking to potentially have their regional office in Dubai. I think that's already confirmed, but I didn't see it exactly. This is to help with crypto regulations that we are currently struggling with in the United States. That doesn't mean that they're not going to work with the United States at all. It's just it's hard for them to expand with how quickly they are being utilized because they have such a good product where they're currently at. So don't ever think that as bad news. You know, their solution is a global solution, which means they're going to need offices globally to maintain the product that they can run utilizing the XRP ledger and the XRP token. But we have been in this descending triangle, which typically breaks to the downside. However, since we did enter this formation out of a bull run, there's still about a 50-50 chance, about 60-40, that we could go up instead of down, which we did go up. We formed another triangle. We tested this resistance now as support, and now we have our moving averages coming up, and my next goal target is going to be right here at around 30 cents. After we break 30 cents, I think it'll be very easy for XRP to get up to about the 40-42 cent range, and then all the way back up to 86 cents, which we haven't seen in a very, very, very long time. But in the very, really short term here, if we take a look, we can see that when we busted out of that triangle, we formed another one. We found confirmation, came up, and then we formed another triangle here with a nice, beautiful W pattern. I was actually waiting for one more test and rejection before I entered this trade, just because I like to have lots of good confirmation. I wanted to see another higher low. You know, but I like to be pretty safe with my trades, so I didn't enter into this one. And now, depending on if Bitcoin finds its top or not, we may potentially short a little bit to see if this comes back down to test one more time. But in my case, when I try to teach people on Twitch and the Discord as far as investing goes, trading on Bybit and things is not where you should be starting your crypto career. You should be starting by just having a wallet and understanding where your keys are and held, and how to use your crypto and how to transfer it and how to securely take care of it. So I just don't think that right now is the best time to enter these crazy trades if you're brand new into crypto. So that's why I was waiting for one more confirmation. However, this beautiful W pattern that did form, you know, is something that I was looking into to potentially trade, but the breakout happened before we had another test of this top here. So that is going to do it for today. I didn't have a chance to do the Ethereum and XRP update last time, so I wanted to make sure I could get some quick updates in now in this video. I'm currently still working on stuff in personal life with work and things like that, so haven't made it to full-time crypto yet. I know I promised that a long time ago, but still working on the course in the background, so hopefully here soon you'll start getting some of my free courses that go over how to do everything in crypto if you're just brand new and a beginner right now. But that's going to do it for today. I will be on Twitch here afterwards, so catch you guys in the next one.